Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well in your quarantine. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the iPhone 12 Pro Max and all the iPhone 12 and upcoming iPhone 12 devices. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. The new iPhone compatibility will have the higher refreshing rates like 90Hz display or 120Hz. I think iPhone will be uses the 90Hz display and the 5G capability. Obviously, due to this 5G capability, the iPhone will increase its price due to the modem which produces by the Qualcomm. So if you want to know about that, please comment on below. I'll make a dedicated video. And for this time, Apple is making something new, which is compact phones and big phones. There will be no major difference between the Max and the smaller version, but this time they are making a super compact phone which is easy to handle. So 5.4 inch and the 6 inch. I know there is only a 5 inch difference, but it is actually super compact and with a boxy design, which actually makes super fun. So honestly, I don't want to talk about the specs, but because the spec doesn't really matters in an high range premium smartphones like iPhone, OnePlus and the Samsung, they do really matters. Only the 100 out of 80 people will not see the specs, because the people who buy the iPhones or the premium range smartphones does not see the specs, because they use for the business purpose and to increase their productivity, to feel the fastness and using a good camera. So yeah, so this is what not everyone sees. This is why I am not interested in premium range smartphones. With they bring with only the few changes like in every time. So this time Apple is bringing with quite a few changes which are quite interesting, like new colors, which is navy blue. It's quite interesting, and which is rose pink and something other new colors. They are really exciting in each and every smartphone. And this time the biggest change is the notch is going to reduce. They have made a very small notch. So this is a good news for who was the media a lot. So number doesn't really matters on the paper. Like you can see, the Apple has only the 4 GB RAM but performs super well, whereas the Android, it has only 10 GB RAM, 12 GB RAM in the OnePlus, but it doesn't come near to the same performance to the Apple and the Android. So spec doesn't matter to in the a flagship grade phone, but this time iPhone is making quite a few changes which are quite interesting in each and every specs matter. They are having a new sensor in the camera, there is a new notch, there is a new 5G capability, there is everything new. So this is super exciting video, so be sure to watch the full video. So now let's talk about the cameras. So this time the cameras are absolutely stunning because there are two main sensors, which is IR emitter and the TOF camera. So let me talk about the IR emitter. This is the most awaiting feature which only few phones. So this sensor is not present in all the premium smartphones. I thank Apple to bring this IR emitter in the premium range smartphones, because the IR emitter is very good for the bokeh. So let me explain. So suppose my smartphone has an IR emitter. So when you click a picture, it emits thousands of the light. Some of the lights will come near me and some of the lights will go back. That's an absolute sense. So the camera smartphone will understand that the light which have been reflected by me, so the light when it comes, so it understands that the nearest object is this and it should be focused, and the lights which have gone back, it should be out of the focus. So TOF camera, this is second new feature which is actually in 3D process imaging. So to measure the heights, distance between the object to object, place to place, and from the sensor can also help in with the 3D imaging and improving the augmented reality AR experience. So TOF camera can actually increase the AR capabilities and augmented reality. So this camera is actually, there are quite a few AR games, so the future of gaming is going into the AR. So I think the Apple has made a good decision by implementing a TOF camera. So while it comes to the structure and body of the new iPhone 12, it's an actually stunning by improving and boxy style. So now iPhone 12 and Apple is moving ahead to forward and box style, and the new iPhone second generation is also being a boxy style. So this is a leak which you can expect.